A high-pressure water jet is a great tool to use for cleaning all sorts of residential and commercial drain system clogs. In particular, they are ideal for grease clogs. In fact, in the skilled hands of our experienced technicians, a water jet can even clean tree roots out of a sewer line. The reason water jets are useful for multiple types of clogs is because of the variety of specialty nozzles available. There are specialized nozzles for both ordinary clogs, grease stoppages, and root issues. There is even a special nozzle to clean out sand that has accumulated on the bottom of a drainage line or pipe. At Balkan Drain Cleaning, we have high-pressure water jets mounted directly to the inside of our fleet vehicles. These units have their own water supply. This water supply ensures both a prompt response and eliminates the possibility of introducing additional contaminants, thus ensuring a positive outcome. The Spartan Model 758 Sewer Jetter is an industry-leading tool that delivers over 3,000 psi of sewer cleaning power. Please consider Balkan Drain Cleaning for your next water jet job, and please subscribe to our channel to receive future informative videos.